The stock I'm looking at today is Bill Holdings. This stock has been taking a severe beating since it's made its high in 21, where its all-time high was 348. It made its low of about $43 in July of 24 and currently is bouncing back from that same low of about $43. This can be a potential double bottom or it could even fall further. But as I was looking at this stock, I saw definitely that the stock fell from 348 to 43. That's a fall of 88%. And then it basically found resistance at a high of 100 and then it fell back to $40, which is again a fall of 60%. So you can imagine that when a stock starts to fall, there is no end to falling. And usually, when we are buying stocks at an all time low, it could be as good as trying to catch a falling knife. But as I was looking at this company, I saw some of its metrics, and I do not know exactly what is going on in the background, but I said to myself that maybe investing very little amount of starter money at this position would not be really bad. As they say, be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. Bill.com engages in the provision of cloud based software solution. It simplifies, digitizes, and automates complex back office financial operations for small and medium sized businesses. Now, the valuation ratios, my god, have they come down? In 21 it was trading at a price to sale of 63 and now it is trading at a price to sale of less than 5. So it has fallen and corrected drastically. Its revenues, as a matter of fact, have been increasing pretty decently. The revenues of Bill.com actually have a 2-year forward revenue CAGR of around 15%. So it's not that the revenues are not increasing. And if you look at its net profit margins, you can see that the net margins at one time were minus 50% and today they are at around 0%. So the net margins are improving significantly. You can see that the gross margins are pretty good. After all, it's a cloud-based software technology provider, so its gross margins are 85%. This company could actually be turning into profitability, and then people might start looking at this company from a different lens. The revenue estimates are rising pretty decently. The chart of Bill.com is simply a roller coaster ride, going from a low of around 20 all the way up till 350 and then from 350 all the way down. Revenue of this company is increasing at around 15%, which is just decent, and this has a great gross margin, 85